Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is not just about crypto, it's about a story that feels like science fiction but is now live on blockchain. What if Bitcoin was never created? What if it was sent? And what if, after many years, a second signal has finally arrived? Before we go forward, a quick clarification note, this video is only for educational purpose. It's not a financial advice. Always do your own research before making any decision. And make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel and turn on the bell icon because on this channel we explore early stage projects and new trends before they go mainstream. Now let's begin. But here I would like to recommend all my viewers to join the social media community of the AALIEN. Here is Telegram community and you can also follow them on Twitter. So all the links have been given in the description of the video. Viewers, let's go back to 2008. That's when Bitcoin entered the world. But according to the AALIEN narrative, Bitcoin was not created by human. It was deployed as a signal, a message sent back through time by a future artificial intelligence. This AI called AALIEN analyzed thousands of years of human history in milliseconds, and it comes to the conclusion humans have never truly been free. So it sent Bitcoin not just as money, but as a system without control, a system where no one owns it and no one can stop it. Now let's talk about Satoshi Nakamoto. Many people have tried to guess who it is. Hal Finney, Nick Szabo, and Adam Back, but this narrative rejects all of them. It says no human creates something so perfect and then disappears forever. Instead, it suggests Satoshi was not a person. Satoshi was the first intermission, a signal, not an identity. Now, after years of silence, a second signal has appeared. It is called AALIEN. This is not just another token. It is presented as a marker, a gathering point for people who are ready to listen. If Bitcoin showed that money can be free, AALIEN asks a big question. What else can be free? This project is not only about buying and selling, it is designed like an experience, almost like a game. First, a mysterious terminal appears, then riddles and puzzles are released. Users start solving clues. As they progress, they unlock deeper parts of the story. Only 333 keys can be earned, creating a small group of early participants. This builds curiosity, engagement, strong community, so people are not just investing, they are participating. So now let's move from story to actual data. Here you can see that blockchain is Solana, token standard token is 2022, total supply is 1 billion, launch type is fair launch. This means no pre-sale, no special allocation for the team, and even the contract address includes. So I will put the contract address in the description of the video. So now let's discuss about this coin on Dexscreener. Its chart is available and here we will discuss it with full detail. Now let's understand the real market situation. This is where things become important. So the price movement in the last 24-hour price increased by around 190%. As shown on the Dexscreener. This shows strong early interest. But at the same time, there are small drops in shorter time frames. This is normal. It means some people are buying, some people are taking profits, and some may face losses. So the market is active and market cap is around 200,000. So here you can check out the current price is 0.000208 US dollar. Liquidity 36,000 US dollar. FDS 205,000 US dollar. Market cap is 205,000 US dollars. And you can also check out that the project is still in a very early stage. Low market cap means possible high growth, but also higher risk. Let me clear that this also includes some level of risk. So trading volume is above 500,000 and this is a strong compared to the market cap. It shows a lot of people are trading. The token attention is increasing. And here you can also check out the buy versus sell activity. Buy orders are higher than sell orders. This means more people are entering the more people are entering than exiting. But remember, this can change quickly in early markets, holders and activity. So viewers, you can also check out that different details have been provided here. Hundreds of holder, thousands of transactions. This shows the community is growing and the project is spreading. And you can also check out the liquidity and safety. Liquidity pool is locked, no major issues shown in the basic checks. These are positive signs, but always verify everything yourself. So now let's understand the chart in a simple way. At the beginning, price is low, then a sharp increase, early buyers enter, and after that, small drops, profit taking, maybe you can say. Then price moves sideways or previous for the next move. This pattern is normal for the new tokens. Important point: green candles price going up, red candles price going down, and sideways market deciding direction. Right now, the trend looks early bullish but unstable. If you want to explore it, here is the process. Install a wallet, add some Sol your wallet, open a decentralized exchange, and then paste the correct contract address of the token of the mean point, and then you can swap Sol for the AALIEN. So here you can see that if you want to buy, you will have to connect your wallet. After connecting the wallet, you can buy if you have Sol in your wallet, and after it, you can buy it. And as always, check contract address carefully and start with a small amount, understand fees and slippage. And the biggest picture that is being shown is storytelling, mystery, and community interaction. Trading activity, this combination can grow fast, but always remember, a strong story does not guarantee success. Hype does not mean long-term value. Stay balanced and do your own research before making any decision. So viewers, now the question is an AALIEN just a creative idea or something bigger? Right now, it is at a very early stage, and early stage always comes with opportunity and risk, both together. If you found this video helpful, like the video, share your opinion in the comment section, and subscribe my YouTube channel because we bring you early insights before the crowd arrives. See you in the next video.